Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Next English Podcast. Have you ever said something in English and later realized it was wrong? Don't worry. Every English learner makes mistakes. The good news is that every mistake is a chance to improve. In today's episode, you'll learn 10 common English mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix them. Listen carefully, repeat the correct sentences, and try to use them in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Mistake 1, I am agree. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Remember, agree is a verb. We don't use am before it. Examples. I agree with your idea. We all agree on this plan. Repeat after me. I agree with you. Mistake 2, he don't. He don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. With he, she, and it, always use doesn't in negative sentences. Examples. She doesn't speak French. It doesn't work. Repeat. He doesn't like coffee. Mistake 3, discuss about. Let's discuss about the problem. Let's discuss the problem. The verb discuss does not need about. Examples. We discussed our future. They discussed the project yesterday. Repeat. Let's discuss the problem. Mistake 4, more better. This phone is more better. This phone is better. The word better already means more good. Never say more better. Examples. Today is better than yesterday. This book is better. Repeat. This phone is better. Mistake 5, your versus your. Many learners confuse these two words. Your shows ownership. Example. Your bag is on the table. Your means you are. Example. You're a great student. Practice. You're doing a great job. Is this your notebook? Mistake 6. There, and there. These three words sound the same but have different meanings. Their dad belongs to them. Their house is beautiful. There's a place. The bus is over there. There they are. They're my classmates. Repeat all three. They're. Mistake 7, much versus many. Use much with uncountable nouns. Examples. Much water. Much money. Use many with countable nouns. Examples. Many books. Many students. Practice. I don't have much time. She has many friends. Mistake 8, say versus tell. Use say when you don't mention the listener. Example. She said hello. Use tell when someone receives the information. Examples. She told me the truth. Please tell me your name. Repeat. She told me the truth. Mistake 9, in, on, and at. These prepositions are very important. At for exact time. At 8 o'clock. On for days and dates. On Monday. On July 10th. In for months, years, and longer periods. In January. In 2026. In the morning. Practice. I wake up at 7 a.m. I study on Monday. I was born in 2008. Mistake 10. Advice versus advise. Advice is a noun. Example. Thank you for your advice. Advise is a verb. Example. I advise you to practice every day. Remember, advice and thing. Advise for action. Repeat. I advise you to practice every day. Quick practice quiz. Which sentence is correct? I am agree. I agree. Correct answer. I agree. Next question. He don't like tea. He doesn't like tea. Correct answer. He doesn't like tea. Excellent. Keep practicing every day. Conclusion. Today you learned 10 common English mistakes and the correct way to say each sentence. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The secret is simple. Learn, practice, repeat, and never give up. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next English Podcast for more easy English lessons every week. Thank you so much for listening. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye!